Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Hello Misty.
हेलो।
Okay, आप क्या करने वाले हो आज?
जो आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ की है उसकी स्पेलिंग लिखने वाले हैं।
Okay, start. First picture क्या है?
दिस इज हर्ट।
Okay, what is the spelling of heart?
HUT।
Good.
HUT।
Good.
हर्ट।
What is next?
दिस इज कैट।
Okay.
CAT। कैट।
Good. What is next?
दिस इज पेन।
Good.
PEN। पेन।
What is next?
दिस इज सन।
What is the spelling of sun?
SUN सन।
Okay.
SUN sun।
Good. What is next?
This is car.
Good. What?
CAR car.
Good. What is next?
This is cup.
What is the spelling of cup?
CUP.
Good.
CUP cup.
Good. And last?
This is mat. MAT.
Very good.